Good morning. Good morning. Today is February 3rd. Looking at the overall economical calendar, non-farm payrolls, unemployment, average hourly earnings, PMI, ISM, all this information comes out before 10 o'clock. We do have a Fed speaker at 2:30. But a lot of this information already came out and it came out negative, and the market is pulling back already. And we're going to get to that in a moment. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button early, and let's jump into the charts. Yesterday, Apple had earnings on Apple. So you can see Apple basically initially took a huge drop from 152 down towards the 143, and now it's basically trading flat around 148. MACD is a slightly crossed up right now. RSI has the possibility to go down or up. Jumping over towards the 20-day, MACD is crossed down in a bearish position. RSI is basically flat. So kind of a standstill on Apple, right? We want to see a break of 152 if you're bullish on Apple. 152 is the 20-day high. So once we break that 152, you can see 152 has been resistance multiple times in the past. Once we break that, it's a clear gap up towards that 154. So watch out for that on Apple. To the downside, you guys know how I get. I'm looking for the break of the 180-day EMA over here at 146. And then we could retest that 144 solid orange line. That's my 1 year EMA line over here. So basically this line, but on the 1 year, which could be a major pivotal point on the chart, right? So watch for that 146 down towards that 144 if you're bearish on Apple. So make sure you guys keep Apple on the watch. It's in a range right now. Make sure you guys set your alerts to the upside or the downside so you guys can know which way Apple's going to end up going. All right, next stop we're going to talk about Tesla. All right, Tesla gave a lot of bullishness yesterday, right? If we look at the 15-minute, Tesla basically out the gate, right? Out the gate. Yesterday was the third. Yesterday was the second, right? So yesterday was the second around like 9:30 out the gate. 15-minute was crossed up. Basically started to shoot from 186 all the way to 196 double top and basically fell. Tried to recover, came down again. So let's look at the charts. What are they telling us today? 180-day is trying to cross down. That EMA line is around 184. Once we break that, we could go to 178. So watch out for that on Tesla. I already have my alert set. 20-day is already crossed down on Tesla. She's been on a nice upward trend, as you guys can see here, but every once in a while, stock has to pull back a little bit. So 20 is already crossed down. If this starts to open up, this could force the stock down. Preferably looking for a break below 182, then you can start going to 180. Then we could start going to 170. So watch out for that on Tesla. You could get slightly early from 185, that break of the 180-day trade line at 185 towards that 178 or 180 over here. Watch out for that. To the upside, right? Watch for the break above 190. 190 is a flat spot over here on these last two 1 hour candles, right? So watch for that 190, and then we can start basically pushing up towards the previous high of 196 on Tesla. Last but not least, infamous, right? Infamous SPY. Looking at the 180-day over here on SPY, looks like it's crossing down, sitting around 411. Basically, same situation. A lot of stocks are overbought. It was basically uptrending, hit a resistance yesterday around like 416, 417. Started to pull back. We are breaking the 180-day trend line already. Let's hope it stays that way because I am in a slight short position. 411 down towards 409. That's the target I'm looking for. My target was really 410. That was yesterday's EMA, but let's see if we can get a 409. If not, I am willing to sell them at the bell. Looking for a 180-day crossover. It's trying to cross over. Hasn't crossed over yet. 20-day is crossed down already. So 20 days giving us what we need for the bearish side, right? Watch for that 411 down towards 409. And to the upside, you want to watch for a break of 414, which is going to be the break of both 20-day and 180-day trade lines. And then we could basically go from like 415 towards 417, maybe even retest yesterday's high. So watch out for these key levels. Watch out for both these charts. Make sure you guys use a stop loss. Make sure you guys practice safety, practice your risk management. Today's Friday. And that's going to be it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.